Hello students, this is Ronita. Welcome to my channel. Let's solve with Ronita. See, in this video I am going to solve exercise 5D from latest edition of Concise Mathematics chapter 5 Quadratic Equation. So without any further delay, let's start. The question number 1a, 2x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Now d equal to b square minus 4ac equal to, see b, here b is minus 3, so it will be 9 minus 4 into a means 2 and c is 1. So it will gives you 9 minus 8, that is 1, that is greater than 0. So that means distinct real roots. Yes, the option 1 will be the correct answer. Option 1, distinct real roots. Okay. Number 1b. Which of the following equation has two real distinct root? So there are some equation and you have to find out b square minus 4ac. Let's start with the first one. That is also 1. So this is greater than 0. Okay. b square minus 4ac, that is greater than 0. So this one has real and distinct roots. Now, so this is the answer. Answer is option 1. Now if you want to check the other options, you can check. See, in case of second one, b square minus d equal to 3 square 9 minus 4 into 6. So obviously it will be negative number because 9 minus 24 9 minus 24, so obviously that will be less than 0. So it will gives you an imaginary root in case of question number 2. Okay. Now the next one, see, in case of this one, d will be 4 minus 4 into 4 means 2 square 4 minus 2 square, that will be 4, and 4 minus 4ac, so 4 into 5 into 1, so it will become 20. So obviously that also negative. Now for the last one, see, minus 4, so if you square minus 4, so minus 4 square, that will become 16 minus 4 into 6. In that case also 16 minus 24, so it will become negative number. So only for this option 1 you will get real distinct root. Okay. Now question number C. If the roots of this one are equal, then find out the value of p. Now see, x square minus px plus 4 equal to 0. Okay. So here d will be p square minus 4 into 4 into 1, 4ac. Okay. So that will be 0. Okay. So you will get, so in case of plus minus 4, this equation will gives you equal roots. Okay. Option 4 will be the correct answer. Each of the following equations has imaginary roots. So imaginary roots means d will be less than 0. So first you have to check. See, see here b is 10, so b square will be 100, and if you then 4ac, 4 into 3, it will be 12, and see, this is minus 3, so if you multiply, that 4ac part will be positive, so d will be addition of two positive integer. so that cannot be less than 0. Okay, so you have to cancel this one, this option. Okay, now in case of second one, 2x square minus 5x plus 9 equal to 0. In that case, b square means 25 minus 4 into 2 into 9. So 4 into 2, that is 8, 8 into 9, that is 72. So now 72 is greater than 25, so it will be less than 0. So it will gives you imaginary root. So option 2 will be the correct answer. Okay. Now you can check, you can also check option 3 and option 4. Now see question number E. One root of this equation is 1. And now you have to find out value of m. Okay. So 3x square minus mx plus 4 equal to 0. Now 1 is a root of this equation. So 1 will satisfy this equation. So you can put x equal to 1 in this left hand side. Okay. So you will get 3 minus m plus 4. So it will become 7 minus m. Okay. And it will become 0. It will be 0. 7 minus m, that will be equal to 0. So m equal to 7. M equal to 7. So option 1 is the correct answer. See, option 1 is the correct answer. Now see question number 2. Without solving, you have to find you have to comment upon the nature of the roots of each of the following equation. See the first one, 7x square minus 9x plus 2 equal to 0, right? First question. So here D will be minus 9 square, that will become 81 minus 4 into 7 into 2. So you will get 81 minus, see this is greater than 0. So this equation has real and distinct roots. Okay. Now in case of question number 2, 6x square minus 13x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay. So here D equal to 13 square means 169 minus 4 into A means 6 and C means 4. Okay. 96. So this one is also greater than 0. So in that case also you will get real and distinct roots. Next one, see the question 3. 25x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. Now D equal to b square means minus 10 square, that will be 100, minus 4 into A means 25 into 1, 25 into 4 equal to 100, 100 minus 100, that will be equal to 0. So that means 3 have equal roots. Okay, real and equal roots. Okay. Now question number 4, x square plus 2 root 3x minus 9 equal to 0. Now 2 root 3, that is b. So D equal to 2 root 3 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 9. Okay. So it will give you 4 into 3 and minus into minus plus 36. 12 plus 36, that is greater than 0. That means real and distinct roots. Equation, this one has equal roots. Find the value of n. So this equation has equal roots, that is given. Okay. So that means D equal to 0, and that means D means here minus 12 square. So 144 minus 4 into, here A means 3 and C means n minus 5. That will be equal to 0. 144 minus 12 into n minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, that implies 12 into n minus 5 equal to 144. Now if you do it here, that implies n minus 5 is equal to 144 by 12, that will be 12. So that means n equal to 12 plus 5, so it will give you 17. So 17 will be the value of n. Now see the next problem, problem number 4. Find the value of m if the following equation has equal roots. So there, see, m minus 2 x square minus m plus 5 x plus 16 equal to 0. Now d equal to minus 5 plus m square minus 4 into 16 into m minus 2. Okay, and that will be equal to 0. So first try to simplify this one. So it will become 25 plus m square plus 10m minus 54m plus, okay, now m square minus 54m plus this one. Now since this equation has equal root, that means d equal to 0, that means m square minus 54m plus 153 equal to 0. M square minus 51m minus 3m plus 153 equal to 0. M minus 51 minus 3m minus 51 equal to 0. M equal to 51 or 3. Okay, so value of m will be 51 or 3. Now next question, question number 5. Find the value of k for which equation this equation has distinct and real root. Distinct and real root, that means d is greater than 0, right? See the equation, 3x square minus 6x plus k equal to 0, right? Now d equal to b square minus 4ac. So b, here b is minus 6, so b square will be 36 minus 4 into 3 into k, and that is greater than 0, right? So that means 36 minus 12k, that is greater than 0. That means 36 is greater than 12k. That means k is less than 36 by 12 equal to 3. So k will be less than 3. So value of k will be this one, this interval. Now see the last question, question number 6. Given that 2 is root of the equation this one, and that the equation this one has equal roots, find the value of p and q. Okay, so first 3x square minus px plus 1 equal to 0, it has a root x equal to 2. So x equal to 2 satisfy this equation. That means 3 into 2 square means 4 minus p into 2 plus 1, that is 3, that will be equal to 0. That means p equal to 4, right? Now see, here it is given that px square minus qx plus 9 equal to 0, it has equal roots. Now you can write 4 at the place of p. So 4x square minus qx plus 9 equal to 0, and this equation has equal roots. That means q square minus 4 into 9 equal to 0, right? D will be 0. So q square minus 4 into 4, 4ac, a is 4 and c is 9, so 4ac, that will be 0. That gives you, see, it will gives you q square equal to 4 into 4 into 9. You can write 3 into 3. So you can write like this, 12 square. So q equal to plus minus 12, right? So q equal to plus minus 12. Now see, this was today's topic. If you think this is relevant for you, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. And as you know that I have already done 5A, 5B, 5C and this was 5D. Okay, so if you have missed this video, see the I button playlist is there. And in my next video I am going to solve exercise 5E. পড়াশোনা কেমন হচ্ছে, ভালো তো? চেষ্টা করো আমার সাথে সাথে, আমার ভিডিও দেখার সাথে সাথে প্রত্যেকটা কোয়েশ্চেন সলভ করতে। কারণ শুধু ভিডিও দেখে গেলাম, আমি বারবার করে আগেও বলেছি এখনও বলছি, শুধু ভিডিও দেখে গেলাম তাতে বুঝতে পারবে যে অঙ্কটা কোন স্টেপের পরে কোন স্টেপ হলো, কিন্তু যদি তুমি না করো আমার সাথে তাহলে কিন্তু তুমি নিজে যখন পরে কোয়েশ্চেন পাবে এবং তোমাকে করতে হবে ক্লাসে, তখন কিন্তু তুমি করতে পারবে না, পরীক্ষার হলে অসুবিধায় পড়ে যাবে। So before watching my video, get ready with pen and paper.